Harmonic Tide is a installation in St. John's Gate. It will be a bit like going through water. It's a water corridor, and we 3D printed it from bioplastic, from a sugar-based material that I love and think will have a really positive impact on the planet. My name is Mamou-Mani. I'm an architect, and I'm the winner of the competition called Shaping Water by Dezeen, Villeroy Boch, and Ideal Standard. The brief of the competition was to come up with an installation that fit in St. John's Gate. When I saw the competition online, Shaping Water, it resonated with everything that I believe in. We are water, and so to be able to shape it whilst it cannot be shaped. It reminds me of that quote from Bruce Lee, be water, my friend. There's something very beautiful about the strength of construction and the fluidity and fragility of water. And these contrasts are very poetic. We believe in circularity. That's reuse, reduce, repurpose, recycle. And we live it as a way of life. It's very important for us to consider not always the start from scratch aspect. We always think like, what can we repurpose, reconfigure? How can we reduce the amount of materials, of carbon? What happens after the installation? I really hope that it makes people think about what architecture can be, the role of circularity in design, and to rethink how we design or inhabit spaces.